In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a flow in Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at your main dashboard. This is where you can access your marketing tools and manage your campaigns. Make sure you are in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Next, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where Constant Contact keeps your email marketing activity, including automations and other campaign types. When you open this section, look for the option to create something new. Click Create and then select Automation. This will take you into the Automation Builder, where you can create a flow that runs automatically based on the conditions you choose. Automations are useful because they allow you to send the right message at the right time without needing to do everything manually. After that, choose a trigger. The trigger is what starts the flow. In other words, it tells Constant Contact when a contact should enter the automation. Depending on your goal, this could be based on a contact action, list activity, or another available event. Select the trigger that best matches the purpose of your flow. Once your trigger is in place, start building your workflow by dragging and dropping steps onto the canvas. You can add email steps to send messages, time delay steps to control when those messages go out, and conditional split steps to create different paths based on contact behavior or other criteria. As you place each step, think about the customer journey and the order in which each action should happen. Now configure the settings for each step. For email steps, make sure the correct message is selected. For delays, set the timing carefully so contacts have enough space between messages. For conditional splits, define the logic clearly so the right contacts move down the right path. This part is important because even a small setting can affect how the automation performs. Before turning anything on, review the entire path for logic and timing. Go from start to finish and confirm that every step connects properly and works in the order you intended. This review helps you catch missing steps, timing issues, or paths that may not lead where you expect. When everything looks correct, click Activate to launch the flow. Your automation will then go live and begin working according to the trigger and settings you created. That covers everything you need to know.